Well, hello to Mr. Ippolito students and families. This is Mr. Ippolito, your 8th grade U.S. History and Government teacher. I want to point out that coming up very soon is our first exam. We've been talking about it for days and for weeks now. But since our very first focus was on understanding American identity and how to be a good American and trying to figure out what does it mean to be an American, the first big test we're taking is it's modeled after the USCIS, which stands for United States Citizenship and Immigration Services exam, the same exam that we make people take who are immigrants to this country and who are trying to become American citizens. And so, to that end, we have, and I want to show you, this is Google Classroom. Students see this all the time in my class, but if you are a parent or guardian family member and you want to understand a little bit better about how my Google Classroom is arranged, what's going to happen is, so your child is going to have various classes, right? These are my classes as a teacher, and they click on their history class. I'm clicking period 1 just for the sake of example, but it's the same whether you have period 1, period 4, 5, or 6 with me. Instead of the stream, because the stream is really it's like a stream of consciousness, right? We organize all of our stuff in the classwork tab. So if we scroll down a little bit, we're going to see the first days of school. And so this is where everything, all of those resources are, USCIS Civics exam. Now, over the last 5 days, we're playing these review games. We're breaking it down 20 questions at a time, 20 questions a day. And that has been the homework for the last 5 class sessions, is simply to practice, check those over. And so this right here is like a treasure trove of resources. This is the original document that students got right here. And then these are 5 different bullet games that you can play individually on your own. And then finally, a resource that I've just added is those Civics flashcards. So it question, answer, question, answer, question, answer. It's a slideshow in Google Slides. And so that is a great resource. Just want to let you know that the exam, if you're in A day, that's period 1, your exam is on August 31st. So that's coming up soon. If you are one of my B day classes, it is on September 1st. That is also still coming up very soon. So I want to let all students know so that they're aware, as well as families. This is our first big exam, 50 points, which is going to be bigger than any assignment we've had so far leading up to this point. So I just want you to be prepared. If you, as an incentive to do great the first time and study great the first time, of course you can get up to 100% credit. That's what you're shooting for. However, for those students who, some students are better test takers than others. So if you're not quite prepared that first time around, you can still do a retake after retake after retake, and you can retake the exam for up to 80% credit, which is a B-, which is still a pretty good score. But if you want to try to get that 100%, you want to study now so that you're prepared to take it the first time, and then maybe you'd only need to take it, hopefully, just need to take it one time, just like people preparing to be citizens of the United States are hoping they only need to take the exam one time. If you have any questions, reach out. Otherwise, good luck, and I'll look forward to seeing you in our next class period. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.